Sorry guys, the last video was interrupted. I will continue in this one. Okay, so I want to give you more examples. What about y squared minus 6y plus 9? I want to check if this is a perfect square. Yeah, a equals 1, c equals 9. Both of them are perfect square. Square root of 1 times square root of 9 times 2 will equal 2 times 1 times 3, which is 6. So yes. Now we are going to factor this perfect square. So we open one bracket and we put a square here. Square root of the first, sine of the middle, square root of the third. Okay. Now another one similar to the one that we did before, for k squared minus 20k plus 25. Yes, 4 is a perfect square, c is a perfect square, 2 times square root of 4 times square root of 25 is 20, so yes, it is a perfect square. So how we factor this? We open one bracket and we put a square here, square root of the first, so 2k, sine of the middle minus square root of the third, which is 5. Okay. Uh, 25 k squared plus 30k plus 9. When we look at this, a equals 25, which is a perfect square, c is 9, which is a perfect square, 2 times square root of 25 times square root of 9 will equal 2 times 5 times 3, which is 30. So yes, it is a perfect square. Now, if we want to factor this, now I think you mastered this. So we open one bracket and we put a square here, square root of the first, so 5k, sine of the middle, square root of the third. Alright, x squared plus 8x plus 16. X squared plus 8x plus 16. Now I think I don't need to do everything. You know that this is square root of 1 is 1, square root of 16 is 4, times 2 will be 8. So yes, one bracket, x plus 4 squared. What if it is x squared minus 8x plus 16? Everything will be the same except for the sign of the middle will go here, so it will be negative. Okay. 16 z squared minus 8z plus 1. This is a perfect square. Perfect square. Square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 1 is 1 times 2 is the middle term. So yes, perfect square. Square root of the first 4z. Sine of the middle minus square root of c is 1, and put a square here. Okay. What if I give you something like this? I give you 4x squared plus kx plus 36, and I asked you to find the value for k that will make this a perfect square. We said that this is a perfect square if b equals 2 times square root of a times square root of c, and b in this case is the number in front of the x, which is k. So k should be 2 times square root of a. What is a? It is is 4. Square root of c, what is square root of 36? So what is k should be? It should be k should equal 2 times 2 times 6, which is 24. So to have this as a perfect square, we must k must be 24. Okay, this is another example. Now let us talk about what if I give you something like 25x minus 20x squared minus 20x plus c, and we need to find c that will make this a perfect square. We know that this will be a perfect square if 20 equal square root 2 times square root of a times square root of c, right? b is 20 equals 2 times square root of a, which is square root of 25 times square root of c, and that's what we need to solve for. So 20 equals 2 times 5 times the square root of c. 20 equals 10 times square root of c. So we divide both sides by 10, so 2 equals square root of c. So to get rid of the square root, we square both sides, so c equals 4. So in order to have this as a perfect square, c must equal 4. Okay? So now we are done with the perfect square. I give you a lot of examples, and I want you to do the following questions from the homework. For the homework, page 253, number 3, 4, and 8, A, B, D, and E. Okay? And this weekend is a long weekend, so today is the last day of the week because of the Easter break. I hope all of you enjoy the Easter and enjoy your time. I'm not asking you to do anything during the Easter break. Enjoy and relax and pray and have fun. I will see you again in Tuesday. We will continue with factoring. Okay? Enjoy and have